2020 Ford Mustang. With less than 56,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels. Take home the car of your dreams today.